Hello everybody, today I am going to discuss about serialization and deserialization. Serialization is a mechanism of writing the state of an object into byte stream and dumping into a file, and it is mainly used into Hibernate and DJB technologies. And the reverse operation of serialization is called deserialization, where the byte stream is converted into object, and the serialization and deserialization process is platform independent. It means that you can serialize an object in one platform and deserialize in a different or other platform. And for serializing the object, that is for converting the object into byte stream, we require a write object method of object output stream. And for deserialization, that is converting the byte stream into an object, we call the read object method of object input stream class. And we must have to implement the serializable interface for serializing the object. What is a transient keyword? Transient keyword is used in serialization, and if you mention or if you define any data member as a transient, it will not be serialized. So we'll see some examples for this. First, serialization. First, I'm taking one student class. Before that, we need to import java.io.serializable. Then public class student implements serializable. I'm taking two data members here, int id and string name. Taking one constructor student, inside that arguments are int id and string name. Then this dot id equal to id, this dot name equal to name. Then how do you perform serialization? First import java.io.start, then public class serialization example. Always the control starts from the main method. Here inside the I'm taking try catch block, and inside try I'm creating an object for the student class. That is student s1 equal to new student of 211 comma Ravi. Once the object of the student is created, the control goes into this student class and this constructor is invoked, and the values are replaced with the id and the name. That is the values for id and name are 211 and Ravi. Then now we need to create a stream and then write the object. So what is serialization? We need to convert an object into byte stream. Well, in order to convert an object into byte stream, we need to create a stream and then write the object and dump into a file. Then file output stream fout equal to new file output stream of here I mentioned one directory like this. File output stream of drive f.text, then object output stream out equal to new object output stream of f. Then how do you write the object using write object method? Out dot write object of s1, then out dot flush. Then how do you close the stream? Out dot close. So we run this program. Then once we run this program, this okay, sorry. Get success. That is what is happening here. This data 211 and Ravi, that is ID and name, are converted into byte stream and returned and dumped into this file in the D drive, that is f.text. So we'll check the D directory in the f.text whether it is dumped into the file or not. So we'll run it once again. So we'll run it once again. Run as Java application. So our output is success. So we'll check the D directory whether it is dumped into our file or not. think there is some mistake here. Okay, it is actually the object is converted into byte stream. So that is the output we see there. Next, what is deserialization? Deserialization is nothing but always the control starts from the main method. First, we need to create a stream to read the object. That is object input stream in equal to new object input stream of new file input stream of dot text. Here also I will give one redirectory here. Then student s equal to student of in dot read object. That is we require a read object here to read the data from the file and convert it into object. Then printing the data of the serialized object system.out.println s.id plus s.name. Then closing the string. Check the output of this. So the output that is from this file, output from this file, if this is the in the byte stream. This is in the form of byte stream. So that output again from the file is converted to object and is displayed here. This is about serialization and deserialization. Now, what is transient keyword? For transient keyword, first the import java.io.serializable, then public plus transient ex implement serializable. I am taking two data members here, int id and string name, and one more data member I am defining it as transient, int age, so that this age will not be serialized. In public transient example, int id, string name, int age. Then this dot id is assigned to id, this dot name is assigned to name, this dot age is assigned to age. Now, what is this transient? How do you perform serialization now? Public class persist ex and always control starts from the main method. Transient ex s1 equal to new transient of 211 comma Ravi comma 22. Once the object is created for this, the control enters into this transient and the values are replaced for this id, name and age. It is the values of 211 is id, Ravi is name and age is 22. Then we need to write an object into file that for that one file out stream f equal to new file output stream of. Here I'll take one more file. I'll take one file.text. Then object output stream out equal to new object output stream of f. Then we need a write object method here to write object to byte stream into a file, that is out.write object of s1, then out.flush. Then we run this program. So output is success. Now we'll check the D directory whether it is written into D drive or not. So this is in the form of bytes. So it is successfully written. That is age is not since age is transient. Here only name Ravi and ID and the name Ravi has taken, but age is not given here because age is serialized. So I'll conclude here. I'll continue in the next class.